Welcome back to Kids Garage. This is episode 3, and I'm Brody.
And me, Elvis.
Now we're gonna get our aprons on. Here's yours.
We're gonna add an extra battery over there and make these power wheels 24 volts. Keep watching to see how we get it done.
Today we'll be using a Phillips and a blade screwdriver. Let's go get them. We're gonna start to take off the hood. Next we'll check with the battery. It's so heavy. Let's put this over here. Now that the battery's out, we're going to remove the wire raceway. We're gonna need the Phillips. I think that's the first one.
Next, we will remove the seat.
Screw it. So.
I'm gonna do the back one.
Now we're gonna remove the seat. That's heavy. Let's remove the 2 screws for the cover. One. Let's take off the cover. There's 2 more screws. This is the forward and reverse switch. You're gonna have to get your mom and dad to help. Push these 6 tabs here, here, and here. 4 more here, and right under there. And that will release the wire tray. Now we can run our new battery wires. Now we're gonna tuck them in. Now we're gonna put the cover on. There. Let's put the switch back in. There. Let's install the batteries. The batteries we have perfectly fit in here. My dad will install them because they're pretty heavy. We're going to run these batteries in series to get 24 volts. My dad will do it for us. Now we're going to put everything back together. Want to do this part? Let's put the seat back on.
Now do this.
Ah! Ouchie, ouchie. How dare you crunch my finger? My dad's gonna hook this up and make it 24 volts. Now let's try the pedal. on. Thanks for watching Kids Garage. I hope you enjoyed this episode. Please stay tuned for the test drive. And subscribe and like if you enjoy our content. Thanks for watching. Bye!